Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm decorating a table for one. Okay, so here we have the black charger, and this one has a little bit of sparkles in it. It looks so beautiful, and I did purchase it at the Dollar Tree. So did that black candle over there on the left, and then the little black bird that came from Kirkland's, and the candle holder came from the Dollar Tree. The greenery that you see there also came from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. Now those plates are absolutely gorgeous, and I got those, I believe, at Walmart. So I thought it would look beautiful if I used this buffalo check napkin, which was a gift. And then the napkin ring that came from Party City. Now we have the wine glass, which came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glass that came from the Goodwill. Now, you know I'm gonna move stuff around until I like the placement. So we're gonna be moving on to the flatware. All right, so here we are with the flatware, and that came from Party City. So we're lighting up the candles, and you know what that means. We're gonna head on over to the reveal. I absolutely love this style here. This is very neutral. It's just beautiful. I'm loving it. All right, over to the reveal we go. Okay, so I am so glad to give you some of these tablescape ideas. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.